Greetings, this is Edward from Ojambo.com. Ojambo.com has an article about saving Inkscape layers as bitmap images. The link is www.ojambo.com/inkscape-svg-layers-using-JessyInk. JessyInk is an Inkscape plugin that will enable you to save individual layers as separate bitmap images. You can download Inkscape from inkscape.org and learn more about the open source SVG editor, and you can get the JessyInk plugin at code.google.com/p/JessyInk. If you require mobile applications, visit ojamboservices.com, Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, and more. From websites to games or tutorials, that is ojamboservices.com, located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Okay, let's begin. I have a new document in Inkscape. I'll go to Document Properties and change it to 220 width with 50 pixel height. Next, I'll zoom in so that you would see a little bit better. Then I'll grab the text tool and I'll type ojambo.com. Now just resize it. This is only for demonstration purposes, this part is not necessary. I just want to fit it inside the canvas. Okay, it's good enough. Then what I'll do is I'll bring up the layers, show layers, and as you can see, the first layer is called layer 1. So what I'll do is I will rename it to ojambo.com _red. So this will be the name of the bitmap image when we use the JessyInk plugin. So change it to red color. Now duplicate the current layer and now rename it to ojambo.com _yellow. Then I will, as you notice, now we have two layers. So what I'll do on that layer, I'll change it to yellow. As you can see, it does work. Next, I will duplicate that current layer, and that'll be ojambo.com _green. And I'll change the image in that one to green as well. This is only for demonstration purposes. You can obviously use as many colors or images you want. You can see you have green, red, green, and yellow. So after that, we'll go and save the image of the layers as JavaScript. You can use any name you want, but I'll just pick _flip_images. Now that we saved it as a SVG file with layers, we can now go and save a copy. Before we do that, let me show you what happens when you try to export bitmap. It does everything. So basically, only the visible part can be exported. So as you can notice, this is going to be very tedious if you have several layers, which are pretty much similar. So the best thing to do is go to Save a Copy, and then you can pick JessyInk zipped PDF or ping output. Automatically to create a zip file. And then here you pick PNG, not PDF, PNG. Press OK. Now it's done. To show you that it worked, I'll bring up the file manager. You see now we have a zip file with the name we chose. Open up in my archiver. As you can see, we have the three and they correspond to the layer names we chose. And I'll just extract them, and you can see we have the three files with the same colors we created earlier. I hope you find this information useful, the tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.